tracking down the goalkeeper, so that looks a little more promising. Bata back to Chaine, and the pressure. Oh, Tembazwani does not look good.
Nice control there from the coach.
They won't be worried of the league right now. It's MTN8 advantage that both teams will be looking for. Now Mokoena surveys what's ahead of him, and it's Rainers running on. Good cover coming across Rainers' path. Buccaneer fans travel to Atteridgeville if their team is in trouble. Yes, Matthews, but Chaine was out quickly. Rainers onside. Cuts inside, right-footed effort, no real power. Marcelo Allende curls it in, free header to Boko Mokoena from the set piece. Mamelodi Sundowns are in the lead. Not the kind of goal you want to give away.
Not the kind of goal you want to give away, indeed. You know, with an outswinger, Alana Pass will be very disappointed.
Harris got caught at set pieces in that Champions League semi-final. He had a free header. It's nicely taken as well by Mokoena. Angled down. But play continues, and Sales is just going to keep going. Cuts inside two, and another. He's going to take the shot. Good effort, and Rainers on the counter, and Matthews has his effort saved by Sipho Chaine. That could have been two, that should have been two.
And on the picture here, good work been done by Salas. Continues with his fine form, his fine space around the left. That shot there, good save from Chaine. And look at the ball there, Rainers, that plays into Matthews. Those are just the tap-ins, and those are the most difficult ones as well to score, because you already scored them before scoring them. And I'm sure Matthews is very disappointed. But
the intentions of Eminence Mahopa, who's playing his first game of the season. Long ball here for Sanes. Keeper on the edge of the area. Losing out. Mokoena for Rainers. Good tackle, but Rainers is it on goal. That's a good save.
Came out right on time from a goalkeeper of China's caliber. You can see here good fighting as well from Rainers.
Really losing out. Now Mokoena. Long range, Mokoena! We've seen some spectacular long-range shots in his time.
Leonard so nice before him, and China as well, making sure that he carries that away with so much power.